Is the current state of education truly catering to the unique needs of every student? Let's ponder on this for a moment. Today's education system, in its most traditional form, is a structure that has been in place for centuries. The classroom, the teacher, the textbook, all elements of a system designed to disseminate knowledge in the most organized way possible. But does it truly cater to individuality? Think about it. Each student is unique with their own learning style, pace, and interests. Yet, the one-size-fits-all teaching method has been the norm, often leaving some students struggling to keep up, and others not sufficiently challenged. We are in the 21st century, an era of innovation and technological advancements. Shouldn't our education system reflect this reality? The issues at hand are clear: the lack of individualization and personalization in education. But what if we could innovate a solution to this problem? The need for personalized learning is more apparent than ever, and the solution might just lie in task unification and systematic inventive thinking. You might be wondering, what are task unification and systematic inventive thinking? Well, let's unpack these concepts. Task unification, to start with, is a fascinating methodology that assigns new tasks to an existing resource. Picture a Swiss Army knife, a single tool performing multiple tasks. That's task unification at its most basic. It's about looking at the resources you have at your disposal and asking, what else can this do? How can I make it work harder or smarter? Now let's move on to the systematic inventive thinking. This is a toolbox of techniques designed to stimulate and foster innovative thinking. It's not about waiting for that elusive eureka moment. Instead, it's about actively cultivating a mindset of creativity and innovation. Systematic inventive thinking encourages us to break down existing patterns, to challenge the status quo, and to create new, surprising, and inventive solutions. When we intertwine these two methodologies, task unification and systematic inventive thinking, we find ourselves in a realm where innovation isn't just a random occurrence, but a consistent output. We start seeing opportunities where others see roadblocks. We start creating solutions where others see problems. In the context of education, these methodologies could lead to truly transformative innovations. Imagine a world where classrooms are not just rooms with desks and chairs, but dynamic ecosystems of learning, tailored to each student's needs, interests, and abilities. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating subject in the next scene. Imagine a classroom where every desk is not just a piece of furniture, but a personalized learning assistant. Welcome to the future of education, AI-powered desks. These intelligent desks are more than just surfaces to write on. They're integrated with advanced artificial intelligence systems designed to provide personalized learning experiences. Think of them as silent tutors, constantly adapting and evolving to meet each student's unique educational needs. How do they work? Picture this: a student sits at their AI-powered desk. The desk analyzes their learning style, strengths, weaknesses, and pace. It then tailors an individualized curriculum plan, providing them with custom resources and activities. And there's more. These desks can give instant feedback, helping students correct mistakes in real time. They can also track progress, creating comprehensive reports that highlight areas for improvement and celebrating achievements. This is just one example of how task unification and systematic inventive thinking can revolutionize education. The future of education is not a distant reality, but a tangible possibility. We've seen how the current education landscape can be transformed with the application of task unification and systematic inventive thinking. The innovative concept of AI-powered desks offers a fresh perspective, promising a more personalized learning experience. Let's not forget, innovation is not just about creating new things, but also about rethinking and repurposing the existing ones. In education, this could mean a future where every student truly has a personalized learning experience.